What's going on, everybody? So today, Kale and I are going to be cleaning the haze on the headlights. We already taped them off, jumped the gun a little bit on that, but they're starting to get really yellow. This one's not as bad, so, oh, actually that's pretty dirty right now, but this one's usually not that bad. This one's usually extremely hazy, and it's getting pretty tough to see in the dark. So we're gonna have to clean them up, and I got the Meguiars kit for like 30 bucks to do it. We're just gonna pretty much test it out, see how it is. We're not doing the normal way where you just do it sandpaper and all that. We're gonna follow the steps. Hopefully it comes out nicely, and I'll give you pretty much an update in a couple months. Make sure they held up, but let's get going. So after the 3000 grit, it pretty much just looks very evenly frosted, which is exactly what you're looking for. And then you attach the 3000 grit and go from there. Pretty much do the exact same thing, and then after that's the polish, I believe. So let's take this to it and see how it turns out. So after the 3000 grit, it is still pretty hazy, but it's pretty much what it should look like. Now we have the polish on the drill, and this should pretty much be close to the finishing touches. Then it's just the final finish. So let's get the polish done, see how it looks, and continue on. So this is after the polish. It looks extremely good. Now we just have the finish, and then that's pretty much it for this light. But the polish pad it did come with kind of exploded on the side of the car, especially because it was already wet. I don't know if you can see the fibers everywhere, but that's not really a complaint after it comes out so nicely. So let's do the final finish, and then we'll pretty much be done with this headlight. Then we'll just speed to the next one and show you the final finish after that. So this is everything after the final finish. It looks beautiful in comparison to how hazy this one is. The light's kind of in the way, but this one's extremely hazy, so let's do this one real quick, and then we'll just rip through this, and then I can pretty much give you a review at the end. But this one's hazy. This is how it's supposed to come out and how it should look after, and I feel like I'm actually gonna be able to see in the dark instead of being pretty scared driving anywhere. But I'm excited to see how the other one looks and how they look together, so let's get this done. The lights look extremely good. You can see how crystal clear they are even from here, but the lights look good. I'm pumped to see how they actually perform at night and not have to be pretty much scared to drive anywhere at night. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really do like these lights, or the kit. I would recommend them to anyone. The Meguiars kit, I'll link it down in the description below just for you to pick it up. Meguiars, if you want to send me more products, it would be perfect. But that's pretty much it. I'll give you guys an update sooner or in the future, just to let you guys know how the kit worked out. But that's going to be it for today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like, because it does help me and the channel a lot. Kale's link will be in the description below. Please drop a follow for his Kia Forte. So drop a follow. Link will be in the description below. But thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.